Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It is fantastic to have you here once again for another knife video. Today I will show you how I transformed the Fox Knives model 478 in a perfect trainer folding karambit. Be sure to check also my review of that super sharp and pointy 478 that is the base knife I used to make this trainer. I let the link in description. This Chinese clone is a very good knife in my opinion and a bargain for what it costs, but the desert camo color is not the best for me. Moreover, learning to flip the karambit with its razor sharp and scary pointed blade is not a great idea. You can cut yourself badly in no time, but you can also sever a tendon or puncture a vein. And if you are learning Kali martial art, you can hurt or even kill your partner during the training drills. So I decided to make a dedicated training blade for this one and buy a total black one to keep it with its original beauty and very dangerous blade on. Soon I will make a new video on the black one. Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications if you want to see its review. But now let's start with the trainer. The first thing I did was to dismantle this knife and make a copy of the blade using a 3mm thick lawnmower old blade. Then I rounded the tip. The last step was to drill some holes in the blade to exactly match the weight of the training blade with the one of the original blade. I was surprised by the amount of material I had to remove to compensate the lack of bevels on the training blade. I made this training blade with some needle files to have the same shape of the original, and it works perfectly on the handle. Opens, closes and locks beautifully. Let's mount it on. First, one plastic washer. Then the blade. You have to push down the lock to align the holes, and it's not so easy anyway. And finally the second plastic washer. A thin and rigid steel wire is a big help. Then all you have to do is to screw in the hinge screw, and the trainer is ready and safe for any drill. This new blade is like the original blade, but it does not cut and does not sting. As you can see, I made the profile of the wave feature more aggressive to get an even better deployment of the blade when I extract the knife out of my pocket. If you want, take a look at my other knife videos. I'll add the links in description. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.